Now, also in the hot seat at today's PAAC was the principal of the Edna Manley College, Dr. Nicolene DeGrasse Johnson. The question centered on recent claims of sexual harassment by a senior lecturer.
Gripping details about the sexual harassment claims first came to light in a Sunday Gleaner newspaper exclusive in May. The victims spoke of inappropriate touching and sexual advancements. One also recounted that the accused threatened that her grades would suffer if she did not yield to his advances. The PAAC learned Wednesday that it was not the first time claims were made against the lecturer. The school's principal, Dr. Nicolene DeGrasse, says she received a complaint 2 years ago.
The member of faculty from the school came to see me to say that students from the School of Visual Arts have said to her, and she stated...
Students, not one.
Yes, yes.
Students.
According to Dr. DeGrasse, the lecturer was asked whether she had the claims in writing. She didn't, and as such was instructed to collect penned statements from the alleged victims.
She brought back one.
She brought back one?
Yes.
And what was done with that particular statement?
I read it. We were to meet with the gentleman. He was off the island, and then this happened in the summer months.
The fact is, you did not have the procedure instituted to have him brought before the disciplinary panel.
True at that point.
Yes.
Dr. DeGrasse further noted that the accused was eventually spoken to.
At that point, I said to him, if it happened because I didn't have anything else to work with, and he denied it, if it happened again, we would move forward. And I didn't get anything else until this year, and we moved forward.
So you had several complaints, right, in 2017 or thereabouts? But you had only a statement from one, so you couldn't get the statement from the others to corroborate the one that was taken? Because what you did was to assume that what the statement from the one was not true.
Not true. Sorry.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
Which takes us back to the most recent claims. The school's administration continues to insist that there is no cover-up. Dr. DeGrasse told the PAAC that the disciplinary process began before the report surfaced.
And when this came up in April, we immediately acted on it.
Meanwhile, the accused is expected to appear before a disciplinary hearing later this month.